Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 S550 4MATIC. This one's an anodite gray. Under the hood's a V8 twin turbo pushing out 429 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you the 19-inch triple 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. We also got the sports body styling. For our interior, we've got a cashmere Savannah interior, panorama roof, coming around back. We've got our S550 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, power lift gate. Coming up front here, this one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you Distronics Plus, blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist. We've got heated and cooled seats, memory seats, power windows, a nice burl walnut trim on the steering wheel and interior trim, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. Just go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, our command center for our media display. This vehicle has 99,002 miles on it. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, please check out feldmanimports.com.